All right, everybody, welcome to the week 5 of Woodshop. Good to have you all here. I hope you had a good time last week trying to figure out how to build those towers. I saw some excellent ones. And here we are with another kind of creative concept option for you this week. I'll tell you about that more in a second. But first, I just want to point out this here. If we are in our classwork, you'll be seeing this week 5 options. We'll talk about those in a minute. But we also have, this was already pushed out to you guys. It's the Big Show photo submission. So here's what I'm hoping for with that. We are not able to have the Big Show, obviously, because we are all stuck at home and we cannot gather, and therefore, and we can't be in the woodshop, so we can't build things. So if you have built something that you really liked, you have it at home, I'd love to get pictures of those things, because the lady who runs the Big Show is hoping to put up a website with some of those pictures on them, and maybe even run some kind of just well, I don't actually know what she's got planned, but I'd love for you guys to put your stuff in. Let me know what you got. So right here, there's 5 points extra credit. Open this up, and once you open it up, you'll read the instructions, but all you got to do is add attachment there and put your photo in of the thing that you have created. As best you can, try and take a good photo of that. Maybe outside, put it on the grass, or get a white background or something like that to make it look nice. That'd be great. Okay, well, this week I decided I'm going to give you a lot of options. So hopefully you like options. As you can see here, there's going to be option 1, option 2, and option 3. That means you only have to do one of them. If you like these things and you want to do more, feel free. But this week is pretty light. I'm not going to have you do any watching of videos to research anything. Except for in the 3D drawing, if you want to, there's a video that teaches you a little bit about how to do perspective and how to set your vanishing points to make a good 3D drawing. So they all have videos in them, but you'll be kind of building as you watch the videos, if that's what you choose to do. If you want to just go free form from your own brain what to build, that will be an option as well. So let me just run through the different options. Here, the option number 1 is origami table and chairs, and you'll see right here I have a video. Most of us maybe don't have origami paper. That's okay. So you can take a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and this video, the first one, tells you how to make a square so that you have that set up. The second video here will teach you how to make a table out of paper, just looking like that. And then I have 2 different chair videos, and you can choose one or the other, or you can try one of each. And the goal is to just kind of make a little dining room set like that, and if you want to personalize it, that'd be fun. Maybe put some little creatures in there, or Legos, or whatever you want to do. So this is option 1. If you like working with your hands and just all you have available to you is some paper, great. You can do that. Sounds fun. It's going to help you with measurement and just being precise with your folds. Option number 2 is to build a cardboard house of some kind. And I just put house there because that's something that will allow you to think of lines and angles and kind of get some precision going in regards to that. So again, normal thing, fill out your name and everything. And here's a video for just a simple cardboard house that you could build. And you're welcome to go with this video, or you can get online. You can see there's tons of videos about building things out of cardboard, modeling all different types of things. My son and I just modeled a paper airplane, and I will try and get that video up as well for you to watch if you want to. But yeah, so if you have something that you'd rather build, go for it. Just, make sure it's somewhat intricate. Don't just cut out one piece of cardboard and draw a Coke on there and say, look what I did, Mr. Coop. So feel free if you think that's a funny joke. But anyway, this is option number 2, and a few questions to go with that. And for all of these, by the way, I do now have it required that you have a photo or some kind of time-lapse video while you're doing it or something like that. So please do that if you would. And thirdly, the last option is to draw something 3-dimensional. So some of you guys might like to get a pencil and paper out, and you're welcome to do that. Here I have 3 different things you can draw. There's, for the people that are not very good at drawing like myself, you might want to start with this easy one, like drawing a couch. And then if you finish this one, I'd love for you to pick something else in your house that you can maybe draw and just practice doing your three-dimensional drawings. This one's a little more difficult. I put it in medium difficulty, and you don't have to do all of these, but maybe choose one or three different ones you'd like to that he did on the video and try and mimic those as well, and see if you can get a good drawing of some of those. And then if you really want to challenge, this one is, in my opinion, pretty challenging, but really cool. So if you want to try and learn how to draw more detailed and more accurate like this, then feel free to do that one. Okay, so those are your three options for this week. And remember, also, if you have anything that you can submit here, photo submissions, that would be great. All right, guys, hope we have a good week. Thank you so much. Let's do it.